I'm stopping you?
No.
Let's take a look at what went on here. You've got your headphones on, you're texting on your phone, you just crossed the street, and you realize where you ended up when you crossed the street?
Yeah.
So you have the white lines that should be your guidance to walk or cross the street, and you pretty much walked diagonally right across the street.
I'm so
Okay?
sorry.
No need to be sorry, just explaining something with regards to pedestrian awareness. If you're wearing your headsets, it's good when you approach an intersection to take them off. Look both ways, make sure everything's clear. Texting, whatever it was that you were texting before you crossed the street, I'm sure it could have waited, right? And just be aware of your surroundings, because there would be cars coming, there'd be bicycles, pedestrians. Okay, so you want to make sure that once you start, you end up safely to where you're going. Okay, and you can accomplish that by taking off your earbuds, putting your phone in your pocket for that brief 4 seconds that it takes to cross the street,
Okay.
and then you can be on your merry way.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Officer.